Hello guys, I'm Gabriel and welcome to GovTech Expo. Today I decided to voice over this video just to ask you guys if it's more preferred compared to my regular voiceless videos. So let me know in the comments what you think. A couple of days back I made a video about a jet engine, and in today's video I will be testing it. So if you're new to this channel, ensure you subscribe, like and share this video, and if you've subscribed already, welcome once more. Hold on a second, that wasn't a jet engine. A practical jet engine has air compressor and a combustion chamber, which helps to compress cool air coming through the propellers, thereby making it hot enough for combustion to occur at the combustion chamber. But I have a good news for you guys. In my next video, I will be creating a miniature air compressor and a combustion chamber which will work great and generate thrust force. Anyway, let's get back to the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.